at Canyon Coaster Adventure Park. We're in Williams, Arizona, about an hour south of the Grand Canyon. I'll be going for a ride on this mountain coaster. I do love the mountain coasters. I've been on multiple different mountain coasters around the country. So I'm excited for this. There's the pricings, $20 for a single rider. Bring another person with you is $10. Alright, you see I am wearing my GoPro. That's going to get me a video for you guys. So yeah, it was $20. So I got my pass here. You bring that inside. You have to sign a waiver. And once you get the waiver, you get a wristband. And then you go for a ride. So I'm looking forward to this. Alright, so once I sign the waiver, you go upstairs. I'm going to go through the restaurant. Got my wristband, and then you give them the ticket. So I don't know what the point is of the wristband, but that's okay. Alright, so go through the double doors here and head to the right. Alright, here we go. This is where you get on the ride. There we go. Don't have to hold on to the thing till I get to the top. It's actually my second ride of the day. Battery on my GoPro wasn't fully charged, so I had my portable charger attached to it. And I had to take the cover off temporarily, and halfway down, the battery popped out, so fully charged now. Yep, so just about an hour south of the Grand Canyon. Nice relaxing ride up to the top. I didn't see how much trees they had to cut down for this. And I'm being filmed while I'm on this. Yeah, so $20 a ride is not bad. Oh, the American flag coming up. That's when I press the handles down. Oh geez, I already seen it up there, man, with the someone already stopping. So I might not be able to go full throttle because I would crash into this lady ahead of me. Goofy already messing up, huh? Yeah, this lady's going slow. All right, well. Normally I would go full throttle the whole way, but I'm gonna have to keep an eye on her. Could we get in trouble if we hit somebody? Oh, man. Yeah, this lady's already going slow. Come on, lady. Come on. Oh, for crying out loud here. I can still have fun though. Just gotta watch this lady ahead of me though, like I said, you know. At certain spots, it actually stops you a little bit. I think it's a safety feature. It keeps slowing me down. Yeah, makes you stay back a certain amount of space, which is good. Still a fun ride, even though I had to go slower than I normally would. Come on, lady. Come on, lady.
No, actually, it doesn't stop. Okay. Thank you. That was fun. Have a good time.
All right. Hello. Yes.
To your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here's another video. Did I see one on your chest?
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. That was still fun. You had to go slower. She was so slow. All right, gonna show. Got a card reader.
Me is very quick.
And that's me. So 15 bucks is not bad. So I'm gonna get it.
Mama's here.
I have to get a candy coaster, a bar, and grill. And see about getting something to eat. All right, while I was here, I decided to get a cheeseburger combo, which was $15.99 plus tax. Which actually wasn't too bad. Came with a drink, got fries, and a cheeseburger. All right, just got off of Canyon Coaster for the second time. So you saw my video that I filmed on my GoPro, and I also purchased the video that was filmed on the actual ride. So that was the second video that you saw. So you saw both perspectives of my ride on the Canyon Coaster. So leave some comments down below if you've ever been on a mountain coaster or if you've ever been here before. Love to hear from you. I've been on multiple mountain coasters throughout the United States, so check out my channel for others if this happens to be your first video of mine. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.